Welcome to Sudoku SkVm. I'm going to solve the New Indian Express newspaper Sudoku puzzle on June 1st, 2024. Evil Sudoku. Sixth row, we have 2, 3, 4. The three number can't come the two cells. It will come any one of these cells. We'll confirm later. Then sixth grade, two numbers are remaining 1 and 7. It will come any one of these cells. We'll confirm later. Sixth row, three numbers are remaining 6, 5, 9. Column F, we have 6 and 9. So 6 and 9 can't come these cells. It will come in one of these cells. We will confirm later. Then sixth row, only one number is remaining 5. 5 is confirmed here. Column G, fourth row, we have 2 and 3. So 2 and 3 can't come in this cell. It will come in one of these cells. We will confirm later. Then sixth grade, only one number is remaining 4. 4 is confirmed here. Fourth grade, we have 3 and 7. So 3 and 7 can't come these cells. It will come in one of these cells. We will confirm later. Then fourth row, two numbers are remaining 1 and 6. Column B, we have 1. So 1 can't come this cell. 1 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. Fourth grade, we have 6. So 6 can't come in this cell. 6 is confirmed here. Then 9 is here. Then fifth grade, three numbers are remaining 1, 8, 9. Column F, we have 8 and 9. So 8 and 9 can't come this cell. It will come in one of these cells. We will confirm later. Then fifth grade, only one number is remaining 1. 1 is confirmed here. Then fourth grade, two numbers are remaining 4 and 5. Column A, we have 4. So 4 can't come in the cell. 4 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. Column A, column B, ninth row, we have 4 and 6. We have pair numbers. So 4 and 6 can't come these cells. It will come in one of these cells. Seventh row, we have 6. So 6 can't come in the cell. 6 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. Column C, three numbers are remaining 2, 3, 8. Sixth row, we have 2 and 8. So 2 and 8 can't come this cell. It will come in one of these cells. We will confirm later. Then column C, only one number is remaining 3. 3 is confirmed here. Column A, we have 3 and 5. So 3 and 5 can't come these cells. It will come in one of these cells. We will confirm later. Then column B, two numbers are remaining 7 and 8. It will come in one of these cells. Third row, we have 8. So it can't come this cell. 8 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. First grade, we have 8. So it can't come this cell. 8 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. Then first grade, only one number is remaining 9. 9 is confirmed here. Then column A, three numbers are remaining 1, 2, 7. It will come in one of these cells. We will confirm later. Eighth row, we have 7. So 7 can't come in this cell. Third also we have 7. So 7 can't come in this cell. Then 7 is confirmed here. Second row, third row, column I, we have 7. So 7 can't come in these cells. 7 will come in one of these cells. We confirm later. column G, column I, we have 4, second row also we have 4, so 4 can't come these cells, then 4 is confirmed here, we can confirm 7 also here, column G we have 7, so 7 can't come, this cell 7 is confirmed here, then 1 is here. First row, 2 numbers are remaining, 5 and 9. Column I, we have 9, so 9 can't come, this cell 9 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. Column F, 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 4, it will come in one of these cells. We'll confirm later. Column H, column I, we have pair numbers 5 and 8. So 5 and 8 can't come these cells. It will come in one of these cells. 9th row we have 8, so 8 can't come, this cell 8 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. 9th row we have 5, so 5 can't come, this cell 5 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. Then column G, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 9. Third row we have 9, so 9 can't come, this cell 9 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. Column G, third row we have 6, so 6 can't come these cells, then 6 is confirmed here. Then third grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 3, it will come either one of these cells, we will confirm later. Eighth row and 9th row we have pair numbers 5 and 8, so 5 and 8 can't come these cells, it will come in one of these cells, we will confirm later. Then 7th row, 3 numbers are remaining, 1, 2, 7, it will come in one of these cells. 9th grade, we have 7, so 7 can't come these cells, then 7 is confirmed here. 7th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 2, it will come in one of these cells, we will confirm later. The 9th grade, only one number is remaining, 9, 9 is confirmed here. Then column A and 7th grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 2. 9th row we have 1, so 1 can't come, this cell 1 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. 9th row, only one number is remaining, 7, 7 is confirmed here. Column E we have 7, so 7 can't come, this cell 7 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. 8th row and 8th grade, 3 numbers are remaining, 2, 3, 4. Column D we have 2, so 2 can't come in the cell, then 2 is confirmed here. Then only 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 4. Column D we have 4, so 4 can't come in the cell, 4 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. Then column F, only one number is remaining, 3. 3 is confirmed here. Third row we have 3, so 3 can't come in the cell, 3 is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. 6th grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 3. Column H we have 3, so 3 can't come in the cell, 3 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. Column H we have 2, so 2 can't come in the cell, 2 is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. Third row, only one number is remaining, 4. 4 is confirmed here. Second grade and second row, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 5. Column D we have 1, so 1 can't come in the cell, 1 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. Column D we have 5, so 5 can't come in the cell, 5 is confirmed here. Then 8 is here. 5th grade and 5th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 8 and 9. Column D we have 8, so 8 can't come in the cell, 8 is confirmed here. Then 9 is here. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Please like and share in this video. Thank you very much.